Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Monopolistic competition looks sneaky here, but this is quick. Excess capacity just means the firm is not producing at minimum average total cost. In long-run monopolistic competition, firms still face downward sloping demand, so the profit-maximizing output happens where marginal revenue equals marginal cost, not at the perfectly competitive quantity. Watch this. Then free entry pushes economic profit to zero, so demand becomes tangent to average total cost, but on the falling side before average total cost reaches its minimum. That means the firm's output is below the output that minimizes average total cost, and that unused potential is excess capacity, so option B wins. Well done! Option B, scan now. Trap, do not rush signs. Rule, trust what is given and check the steps before choosing.